Okay, so tip number 7, morph and enhance morph. So I have here an object. So my goal is pagmukaing lumilipad itong object ko papunta sa right side. So to do that is we need to use the morph transition. But first, we need to duplicate the slide. So click the slide and then right click, then duplicate slide. And then rearrange yung ating duplicated slide. So say for example, gusto ko siyang mapunta dyan. I-resize natin ng konti para magmukhang lumipad sa malayo. And after that, click the object. Then under Transition tab, click or choose Morph. And then as you can see, napagmukha nating lumipad yung simpleng image na meron tayo. Alright, so mas magandang tignan kapag naka-presenter mode. So that's how we use or utilize the morph transitions. How about if the two objects are not identical? So magkaiba. So meron lang tayong additional steps na idadagdag. So dapat pareha sila ng name. So para baguhin yon, click ang object and then under shape format, go to selection pane. As you can see, nilagyan ko ng dalawang punctuation mark. Yan kasi yung requirement ni PowerPoint para ma-identify niya yung imomorph mong two unidentical objects. So yung name, regardless naman, pero para sure, pagparehasin na lang natin. So ganoon din sa kabila. Dapat meron ding dalawang punctuation mark. So after that, just click the second slide under Transition tab, choose Morph. And there you have it. So napaka-smooth ng pag-transition niya. So from circle, hindi siya basta-basta nag-transform ng square. As we can see a while ago, so ipakita natin sa presenter mode. So from circle, it will smoothly transition into square shape. So that's how we utilize the feature of the morph transition and then the enhance morph transition. So tip number 8, stock images. Unfortunately, I don't know kung available to sa mga lower versions. Pero sa Office 365 and I think sa Microsoft Office 2019, meron ito. So kung paano natin ma-utilize yan, so just go to Insert tab, then go to Picture, and then choose Stock Images. Then of course, we can choose various icons na pwede nating ma-utilize or magamit sa ating PowerPoint presentation. We also have cutout people. We could also utilize then stickers, a bunch of stickers, videos or video clips, and then of course illustrations. And then our images. So let's make use of the stock feature of the PowerPoint application. Lalo na sa mga higher versions katulad ng ginagamit ko ngayon na Office 365. Okay, next. Tip number 9. So crop a photo. So usually, nasanay tayo mag-crop sa Paint. But kapag nandito ka naman na sa PowerPoint application, you can actually crop the photo already. So, to do that, just click the photo. Then under picture format, choose crop. So, there you have it. Pwede na tayo mag-crop. Or, pwede kang mag-customize and choose an aspect ratio. Say for example, 2:3. Or, you want to crop it in a form of shape. So let's say for example heart. Pwede rin namang arrow and so on and so forth. Tip number 10, remove background of a photo. So meron akong dalawang image. So re-remove natin yung background nila. So to do that, click the object or the image. And then under picture format, hit the remove background or choose the remove background. So syempre hindi naman perfect yung pagre-remove ng background ni PowerPoint application. Kailangan ng konting assist. So minimal lang naman. So click the mark areas to keep. Pipiliin natin yung mga areas na gusto nating i-retain. So kapag ganyan, ito naman, mark areas to remove. Kapag mag-remove naman tayo ng mga areas. Okay, so after that, just hit the keep changes. And then, there you have it. Wala nang background yung ating image. So again, another example. Click the image. Under picture format, choose remove background. So konting assist lang ulit. Click mark areas to keep. And including this. So after that, just hit the keep changes. And so yung ating mga images ay wala nang background. Tip number 11, eyedropper with snip and sketch tool. So actually medyo mandadayo tayo ng bahagya dito. Kasi itong snip and sketch tool hindi na to part ng feature ni PowerPoint. Pero para maging smooth lang yung paggamit natin ng eyedropper, so gagamit tayo ng snipping tool. Because our object, and as you can see, nakalagay is PowerPoint. Pero as we all know, ang kulay ng PowerPoint ay orange. So to do that, so hanapin natin yung logo ng PowerPoint. There you go. Then hit the window icon, hit and hold, plus shift key, plus S, and then magda-darken yung screen. Ibig sabihin, pwede na tayong mag-snip. So, kukuha lang tayo ng small part dito. And then, mapupunta yun sa ating clipboard, which means, pwede na natin siyang i-paste. So, ito yung gagamitin natin or paggagayahin natin ng kulay. So, kapag meron na tayong paggagayahin ng color, so, click the object. Then, under the shape format tab, choose shape fill. And then, click the eyedropper. Then, click yung color na paggagayahan natin. And there you have it. So, nabago na natin instantly yung color ng ating object. Tip number 12, improve your boring slides with design ideas. So unfortunately, hindi yata to available sa lower versions ng PowerPoint. But to the higher versions like the Office 365 or Microsoft 2019, so meron na tong feature na to. So just go to Home tab and then click Design Ideas. And then see, PowerPoint na mismo yung magsasuggest ng mga designs na pwede mong gamitin. So let's say for example, ito yung napili kong design. So just click it. And then siya na mismo yung reconstruct. So that's how we utilize the design feature of the PowerPoint application. And there you go, the 12 useful tips and tricks in PowerPoint presentation. A bonus tip, para malaman natin yung mga shortcut keys in our PowerPoint application. Pero bago yan, we need to go to the presenter mode. So just press F1 and then lilitaw na yung list including the shortcut keys that we use in the part 1 of our tutorial. Okay, so I think that's all for today. I'm out. Peace.